Is that a YouTube?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
What is it?
Yeah.
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me your channel?
I might. I mean, you seem cool.
You got your gas cap a little
You don't
open
want a
here.
subscriber, bro?
How long you been over here at Albuquerque PD?
I've been here for 2 years now. I really like what I do, so.
Today's video feels a little different. Instead of focusing on one moment, we're following a story across several situations, watching how the same officer acts when everything is calm, and then when things become serious, where every decision actually matters. Because it's easy to look professional when nothing is at stake. The real question is what happens when it is.
Someone in there?
No. He's in there. What's going on?
So, Benjamin, how are you?
Oh, just pretty good.
Chilling?
Just we saw you guys over here, just gonna check it out.
Okay. I wish it was more interesting, but it's really not.
Nothing?
No one's even answering us, dude, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys got a warrant or something?
No. Just a regular call for service.
Oh, okay.
People
Domestic
arguing.
dispute.
Huh?
Domestic dispute.
No, nothing like that. Okay. Cool. And they're not answering their phones anymore, so yeah. I wish it was more interesting.
You guys are calling it then?
Huh?
You guys are calling it?
That's it, man.
All right.
You guys have a good rest of your
You
day.
too.
Gas cap.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Is that a YouTube?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
What is it?
Yeah.
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me your channel?
I might. I mean, you seem cool.
You got your gas cap a little
You
open
don't want a
here.
subscriber, bro?
Do you want it? Do you want us to close your gas cap for
Yeah,
you?
if you don't mind. If it's
Cool.
open,
Yeah.
push that shit.
How long you been over here at Albuquerque PD?
I've been here for 2 years now.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Did you start Albuquerque or did you transfer somewhere else?
No, I started Albuquerque. I've
Okay.
only been here, yeah.
What do you think? Like you're over here in the war zone. Is it pretty crazy over here or what?
It can be like that sometimes, but
Yeah.
I guess it depends on how you look at things. You know?
Right.
If you like the job, then more work. You know.
Right. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's a positive attitude to have, I
Yeah,
guess.
for
You know.
sure. I really like what I do, so.
Cool. Well, I hope you're doing it for the right reasons and honoring your oath.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, man.
But you seem cool to me. Like you didn't give me a hassle or nothing. So.
You have it right
We
to
like that.
record, right? Like on
Yeah.
that trip. I've honestly never seen you before. I think I've seen your homie though. The
Yeah.
one with the
This
backpack.
guy right here. Is
No.
it? Both of these guys are from here.
Yeah,
Okay.
might have seen me around.
I think I've seen you before.
Yeah, because I'm always bugging y'all's with SWAT calls.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I think I've seen you, but I've never.
I'm not
seen
from
you.
here.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. I'll give you my card though if you want to check
Yeah,
it
go
out.
for it, for sure.
I'm out of Denver actually, but I was born here in New Mexico, and so like I got family out here, so I still come to visit and stuff.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool, man.
Check me out. Subscribe. You said if I want another
Yeah,
subscriber,
bro, I got you, G.
you gotta subscribe. Right on.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
And I do, and I like to praise people too. You know, we get this stigma. People just think we're just here to antagonize cops and stuff.
Yeah.
And like, you know, I leave you guys alone. You're cool with me. I'm cool with you.
Exactly,
So,
same.
right. Cool. Can I get your card?
Yeah, man, for sure. I
Cool.
don't have like a personal card, but I can give you a.
Could you just write your name and badge
I can
number
write
on
my
there?
name and badge number
Right
on
on.
for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's gonna be a collector's item. My viewers are gonna like that one.
Nice.
Got you, G. Here we go. I'm Officer Cadena, badge number 7574.
Right on, Cadena.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your evening.
You
Be
too.
safe out there.
You too.
If you guys hang around long enough, it starts to get dark. It starts to get.
Starts to get pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. When's your shift end?
I leave at midnight.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll run into you.
Alright, for sure. Yeah, be safe.
At first, everything looks exactly how it should. Officer Cadena stays calm, respectful, and grounded in the law. She doesn't escalate, overstep, and she clearly understands the rights of the person in front of her. It's the kind of interaction people want to see, and that's why she's being praised. But that moment raises a deeper question. If an officer can handle a simple, controlled situation correctly, does that mean they're ready for the ones that aren't? Because not every encounter stays calm. Let's look at what happens next.
I thought you guys were here for clothes inspection.
So now, with you, because you're concealing our identity, now we're here for something else. Since that female gave his or her information, complying with us, you're bullshitting us, and I know it. It's very simple to just give us your information. If you're afraid of a warrant or something, just fucking let us know, dude. If it's a misdemeanor or something, I'm not fucking worried about that.
Yeah, but you gotta need to check either way, right?
Yeah, we have to check either way.
Yeah, right.
Huh? Okay, so you're kind of making me
I'm
nervous?
giving you my...
Right, hold on. So all you were doing is putting your cursor
Okay.
down. Right.
I'll give you my name.
Okay.
Give you my name.
Okay, just face away from us, okay? Face away from us. You're making me really nervous right now, dude, okay? So we're just gonna put you in cuffs for now.
Man, the fuck you guys do? We're fucking do nothing, eh? This is violating my rights, yo. Yeah, but you guys are sitting here fucking arresting me, right?
You're under arrest.
It's obviously you got arrested.
No, it's
I
not.
don't have the right to even touch me. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. You guys don't have the right to even touch me. I want a lawyer.
What's your name?
I want a lawyer.
You get a lawyer
So
in
sit.
court. This isn't court. You don't get a lawyer out here.
I
What's
want
your
a lawyer
name?
because you guys touched me.
What's your name?
You guys shouldn't even put hands on me. I didn't do nothing wrong. You guys ain't here because I violated any rights or any laws. No, you know what? I didn't do nothing. What the fuck?
Alright, so continue. Hey, dude, tonight, you're being placed under arrest right now for concealing your identity, okay?
I fucking ain't done nothing though.
You just didn't tell me your information. You didn't give me your information. You said it was so sad, and it's not.
You guys are here to arrest people or you guys are violating rights, eh?
You're violating rights, dude. So you're making it. Hey, listen to me.
I'm not fucking
Hold
going
on.
anywhere, eh? What you guys say?
Hold on, dude. Stop. Calm down. Yo. Stop, dude. What's wrong with you? Stop it.
I'm fucking mental.
Stop it, dude. I'm locking his head.
You guys are fucking doing this to me. Fuck this!
Stop it, dude. You're making things worse. Stop kicking.
Stop acting like a child, dude.
What's going on with you? Come here. Come have a seat.
No!
Come have a seat. It's gonna be okay. Just have a seat. Come on, sit down. You're not getting charged with anything extra. Just work with us, dude.
I ain't having nothing going on, eh?
Okay, then just have a seat then.
Why are you so upset?
Cause I'm getting arrested for something I didn't do.
What'd you do?
You guys ain't here for fucking me. And you guys want to run my fucking name? It's Jose Garcia. How am I lying about that?
You told me that you were gonna give me your real name, and then you stopped and started freaking out. Remember? So I know that's not your information.
It's Jose Joseph Garcia.
Okay, then have a seat for me. Just sit up. Okay? We can work with you, whatever warrant you have. We'll try to work with you, okay? I just need you to do me a favor and sit up for me, okay? Right now you're freaking out about I don't know what you have to hide. Sit up for me, Jose.
I'll watch my guys run them.
I couldn't find him. That's the thing. That's not his name. I just looked.
Hey, can you just keep eyes on him, please?
Yep.
He's moving a lot and I haven't searched him yet.
Roll down the window.
Yeah, just...
So listen, I'm afraid that you don't understand that there's no way you're going to get out of this unless you talk to us and be nice to us, right? That's the only possible way. Right? So you don't want to hurt yourself or stack any additional charges. That's what we're trying to tell you. So I'm glad you're breathing now and you're slowing things down, but you got to talk to us and give us your name. Yeah?
I'm gonna kill myself here.
Okay, just not do that. And you can't kill yourself right now because we're not going to let you happen.
Confirmed 3 felony warrants. Okay, so that's what's going on. Your lawful objective to begin with was the fact that you had the pill necklace on. That's what I detained him for. It is. I'm just letting you know and I'm saying it out loud for everybody.
I trusted you from the beginning.
Hey.
Never doubted you.
You're all. What's what you doing? Yeah, we'll hold on. I'm ready.
No, let's go. Step out. Step out, bro.
You guys really don't want to do this, huh?
What do you mean by I don't know what that means, but you need to step out right now. Come on.
Why?
What do you have in your hand, B?
I'm going.
Yo, dude, quit your shit, bro. Stop
It's
it.
fucking time.
Stop, dude. Dude, stop. Stop.
God,
Harry, move. Harry.
God,
Move, Harry. Don't fucking reach for it. Don't fucking move. Don't fucking move.
He's got a gun. Stay on the side. Stay on the side.
Don't fucking move, dude. Don't fucking move.
Have it?
Yes, he still has it. He still has it.
I got the gun. I got the gun. You got it? I got the gun out. Hey, take a breath. Take a breath. Cassie, back up.
Now the situation is very different. The suspect is already handcuffed and everything should be under control. The procedure is clear: secure and search, but that step is missed. A weapon stays on the suspect, and in seconds the situation turns chaotic, ending in a fatal outcome. Legally, the problem starts earlier. At the moment, procedure failed. So the question is, was this just one mistake?
On December 31st, 2024, the Albuquerque Police Department apprehended a suspect near Carlisle Boulevard and Crest Avenue. The suspect had resisted officers and was eventually taken into custody. As a precaution, officers called Albuquerque Fire Rescue to have the suspect checked out for some sort of incarceritis. We observed on the scene that some of the officers involved in the arrest were the same ones from the controversial shooting of a handcuffed suspect at the Tiwa Motor Lodge a couple months ago. It appeared that all the officers were back to work in the same area command and shift they were assigned to before the October 18, 2024 shooting. While we were on scene, we observed AFR checking vitals for the sick suspect as he was handcuffed in the back of the police unit. APD Officer Officer Cadena was on scene and has been the focus of the most recent Tiwa Lodge shooting after she didn't properly search a suspect. That suspect hid a gun in the back of his waistband in October 2024. Officers on that situation shot the man dead after he announced he had a gun and reached for it behind his back. During the December 31st, 2024 arrest, Cadena is seen walking up to the patrol car, and she states, Cadena then went on to tell other officers on scene that his Miranda rights were not read. After AFR cleared the man, 2 male APD officers took the handcuffed suspect out of the patrol car and fully searched him. The officers then removed property from the suspect's pockets and off his person. Officers could be seen putting all the items in a property bag. Through booking information and a criminal complaint, the suspect was identified as 22-year-old Phil J. Garcia of Albuquerque. He was charged receiving and transferring of a stolen vehicle and resisting and invading police. APD officers observed him with a stolen vehicle in a parking lot, and they tried to apprehend him. He ran from officers and resisted them. He had felony warrants from previous cases relating to drugs and burglary. We'll update the final status of the officers involved in the Tiwa Motor Lodge when their IA investigations are completed. You can find those updates at abqraw.com. That's abqraw.com. You can follow us on all of our social media channels where we post all the latest breaking news and story updates in the Albuquerque metro area. If you're looking for more exclusive content, you can subscribe to our Patreon, where we post videos and criminal complaints from certain cases. Stay safe, Albuquerque.
When you look at the timeline, a pattern appears. At first we see an officer acting correctly, but later a basic step is missed, leading to irreversible consequences. And then it happens again. At that point is no longer one mistake. It's a failure to learn, and that's the takeaway. Education matters for everyone, because when that knowledge is missing, the consequences become real.